Here is a quick tip in case you are unable or in a hurry and don't have time to go to the store.
This video is linked and relevant to the video title. I explore animated cartoon, paper caliper. The link is in the description below.
While working on a project, I needed to measure a round object, but I ran into problems.
If you would like to see the animated version of this logo, please view the link in the description below.
The first problem was that the area I needed to measure was in between two objects. All I could do at the time was to try and guess the measurement while attempting to align a ruler inches away from the object. The second issue was that the measurement needed to be as precise as possible. When using a ruler to measure an object from a distance, measurement depends on the distance and position of the ruler. The third issue was that it was way past after hours and all stores were closed. I decided to make this simple tool. With this paper tool, I was able to reach the object and get an exact measurement. Even though it doesn't have any numbers, you don't need them. For my project, I didn't need the exact measurement in numbers. All I needed was the distance from the top to the bottom. If you need the exact measurement in inches or centimeters, place it on top of a ruler, and that will give you the exact measurement. You can use any type of paper as long as it's firm enough to hold. What I used was a folder like this. I believe they're called manila folders. And this would be probably the thinnest I would recommend. There's also thicker type of paper which will work even better, or equally as well. A ruler will be useful as well. A metal ruler is preferred because it will be cutting on the edge, but anything will work. So we're going to pretend that this is the manila folder with a thicker type of paper. You can either trace it from the inside or from the outside. So we'll do it this big. Do it like this. Now, if you don't have a ruler like this, you can use anything. You can use even a piece of paper that has a straight edge, like this, a 90-degree edge. You can also use a credit card. You would just make your lines like that, outline. Then, with the ruler, you can finish. You can make this area as long as you need it to be. It can be long, it can be short. For this example, we'll leave it like this. And this is pretty much it. You would just cut it on the edge, all around. You would essentially, you will be left only with the body itself here. Then you would make the final part. So once you have these two pieces, you can make a belt like this. It's from the same material. You would just fold it, the piece of paper around it, and you place tape to keep them together. In this case, I used two of them. One works fine. Two is better. It makes it more stable. And I also colored the edges dark. So now you can measure items. You would make this depending on the size of the item that you're measuring.